These videos are quite hard to make. One of the biggest difficulties in making these videos is it's very easy to show your success, your celebrations, your good moments on social media. It's very easy. And we all do it, including myself, let's be real. But sharing vulnerable moments that are not easy to share can be tough. Because when you are successful, you're the first to basically say, "I did it by myself." But when you go through a loss, or when you go through a challenging moment, do you admit that it could be your fault? Because most people rush to blame it on other people or point the finger so they don't blame it on themselves. So yeah. Anyways, so as you guys know, I'm going through a startup phase where we're basically just building up our own startup, and it comes with its own challenges. I'm not gonna lie. Life sometimes everything starts to happen. So like when shit hits the fan, shit typically hits the fan. So what do you do when shit hits the fan? You take a deep breath, you sit back, and you reflect. Don't react. And that is one of the best things that I've done this week. I did not react out of emotion. I did not react in a negative way. Because what happens when you are going through a particular issue in the business, in life, in relationships, whatever that can be, we as humans tend to react emotionally. But when you react emotionally, you're not seeing the logical side of it. And sometimes by acting emotionally, it can make things way, way worse. So it's about understanding how not to react at that moment in time. So if you aren't going through a challenging moment, it's understanding and having control over your thoughts and choosing not to react. And that's one of the lessons that this week has taught me. So, yeah, it's just been one of those weeks where it's super challenging, super tough. I'm sure I will look back in a few years' time and I would laugh it off. I'm sure. Because that's what you do. But at this moment in time, these are quite tough challenges to surpass. So, yeah. And the reason why I wanted to make this video is, as I said in the beginning, like, it's good to sometimes admit when you make certain mistakes or when you don't perform as good as you don't want to perform. And admit it. Just say, it is what it is. It's my fault. So what can I do better? And that's what I've done. So in my startup, there was something that I did not do as good as I should have, or I might have overlooked it. You live and learn. So you move on. You need to take notes. You need to understand what you did wrong. You need to reflect. Speak with like minded people. Speak with people who can offer a different perspective, as that can basically give you a general understanding of what you might be doing wrong or what you could be doing better. And to tap yourself on the back, because you should be proud of yourself for doing what you're doing. I'm pretty sure that what you're going through, what challenges you have in front of you and you're worrying about or what you're thinking about are big challenges. So you should really tap yourself on the back to even come this far into understanding logically how to outgrow. That's what I've been doing. It hasn't been easy. So this journey has been quite a tough one, but it's been an eye-opening one as well. I've learned a lot about myself. I've changed a lot. I've understood certain aspects, and you evolve. Like, as long as you approach the thing with an open mind and you evolve, you will grow. So, but yeah, sometimes you celebrate W's, sometimes you celebrate L's. So it's still a celebration because a loss can give you a lesson, and a lesson can turn into a W, a win, if you apply the different strategies of improvement. So yeah, I mean, winter arc is tough. It's been going good. I've been consistent with my diet. I've been consistent with training. I've been consistent with work. I haven't been so consistent with my focus, so that is something that I need to try and work on. It is Friday today, so Friday night to be specific. And sometimes it just sucks knowing that your friends are all out socializing, going out for drinks, and you're in here working or trying to do something that gets you closer to your end goal. But you have to keep in mind, you have to zoom out and understand where you're heading. It's a different journey than where other people are heading to. So you can't compare. Compare yourself to people that are on the same path as you. I wanted to make a short video about this, as it's good to sometimes also showcase a bit of the real life, the real thoughts that go through your mind. As a startup entrepreneur, that's something that I would want to share more of. I mean, I've been doing a lot of sit down videos trying to give you guys value and helping you guys. But I believe that videos like this also carry value. That's why I basically am doing this. And I'm basically just bringing you over to the journey that I'm on. It's a roller coaster. I mean, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's meh. So, yeah, you live and learn. You live and learn. It's a new day tomorrow. It's a new week next Monday. So we strategically move. We identify where we can improve. You take a lot of notes. You get opinions and you move. As long as you keep on moving, ideally forward, you should be good. So, quick video, but without further ado, guys, next week is going to be an exciting week. I'll try to vlog some parts of it because I'll leave it for next week, but there are some interesting stuff happening next week, also business wise. I'll try to take you guys with us, and yeah. So the day that I'm posting this will be Sunday, so I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Don't forget to strategically plan out your week so you don't waste time. See you guys in the next one.